Pingus! Are you all ready to listen to some lovely and amazing stories? Then stay tuned.
Beebo and the Three Magic Coins. Meet Beebo. Beebo is a little robot with shiny silver arms, red boots, and a big habit. Beebo wants a toy and a candy and a puzzle game too. Whenever Beebo saw something he liked, he beeped and booped and buzzed until someone gave it to him. One day, Beebo walked into the toy shop with his dad. Beebo's eyes lit up. Toy car! Red and shiny! Vroom vroom! Beebo wants it! Now! He ran to the shelf and grabbed the biggest red racing car toy. But Beebo's dad gently took the car from his hands and said,
Beebo, wait! You can't get everything you see. Every toy costs something very important. It costs money.
Money? What is money? Beebo asked.
Money is something special, Beebo. We use it to buy things like toys or food or clothes. But we don't just get money by wishing for it. Grown-ups have to work hard to earn money. Just like Papa goes to the office every day to work. That's why we can't buy everything we see. We have to think before we spend the money. Sometimes we save it, sometimes we use it. But we always choose carefully. Because money once spent doesn't come back.
Oh, so money doesn't fall from the sky?
Nope, no sky coins. That's why we take care of it. We have to make choices before buying.
Dad gave Beebo a tiny pouch and said,
Here, Beebo. There are 3 magic coins in this pouch. Each coin can buy one thing. That's it.
Only 3. Beebo needs 50.
No, Beebo. Okay, let's make a deal. Every time we go to a toy shop, you would get 3 magic coins. That's all. So, choose wisely. Either spend today or save for something big later.
Beebo walked around the toy shop holding his tiny little pouch. He saw a smiley ball. Smiley ball! Fun! Beebo buys! Beebo takes out one coin from his pouch and gives it to get a smiley ball. Now, Beebo's pouch has 2 coins left. Next, he saw a bubble wand that blew rainbow bubbles. Wow, wow! Beebo wants bubbles. Beebo takes out another coin from his pouch and gives it. He gets the bubble wand. Now, Beebo's pouch has one last coin left. As he walked through the toy shop, he saw something amazing. At the very end of the shelf, the big red racing car. It had buttons that lit up and real vroom noises. It's the best car ever! Beebo wants it! But, the car was for 3 coins. If Beebo wanted to have the car, he needed to give 3 coins. He looked into his pouch. Only 1 coin left. Beebo was sad. Beebo already bought Smiley Ball and Bubble Wand. If Beebo had waited, Beebo could have got the big car. He sat down and sighed. Beebo spent too fast. Beebo's dad said kindly,
Now you're learning, Beebo. Money doesn't last forever. It's not just for grabbing. It's for choosing. Now, if you save, next time you can get the big car.
Beebo nodded. Beebo will wait. Beebo will save. Beebo is a smart bot now. That night, Beebo played with his smiley ball and watched his last coin sparkle in his jar. Hello, coin. Beebo is saving you for the big vroom. Haha. And the magic coin said, Smart bots save, smart bots wait. Big dreams come if you're not late. So kids, what do we learn from the story? We learn that money is for choosing. We can't buy everything we like. We have to think before we spend it. And if we save, we can get something really, really special.
TinyBluePingu, TinyBluePingu, TinyBluePingu. Hey little pingus, hope you like the story. Subscribe and like the channel for more such stories.